Welcome to the video. In this lecture, I'll guide you through the theory, some coding prompts and structures, practice problems, and teach you how to solve those problems in Python. If you are a complete beginner in Python or data analysis, you can practice coding without downloading any software at online-python.com, and so this lecture will be perfect for you. Stay till the end because if you are serious, you will start writing some basic codes related to today's topic within 10 minutes, even as a complete beginner, and that's a promise.
A tuple is a collection of ordered and immutable elements. So what does this mean? This means that once a tuple is created, you cannot modify its content. That means immutable, and it maintains the order of the elements as they were added. Tuples are defined using the parentheses. Let's see some example. Suppose we are creating a tuple, my underscore tuple, and suppose there are many kinds of elements. Some are the integers, some are strings, and some are the booleans or true or false. Note that we are only enclosing the strings inside these colons. So if we want to display the tuple, we simply write print and we call the tuple name my underscore tuple. So it prints out this tuple. So how to assess the elements in a tuple? As we studied, a tuple maintains the order of elements as they are added, and we cannot modify its content. So we cannot add or delete or do anything with the tuple elements. So suppose we are assessing the elements in a tuple. For that, we can call the tuple name, and inside this square brackets, we can give the index of the element. The first element is represented by 0, 2 means the third element, 1 means the second element. So the first element is 10 and third element is 30. First element is 10, second element is 20, and third element is 30. So tuple works same as a list. So if I call the index -2 means the second last. So here a second last element is banana, so banana string is displayed. Let us see how we can slice a tuple. That means how we can take certain portion of the tuple, the subset of the tuple. Suppose we want to see the second to the fourth element. Suppose we want to see the second element to the fourth element. So from second element to the fourth element. So we have to write 1 for the second element, and this 4 we don't have to write 5. Okay, 4 for the fourth we write 4 itself. So the subset tuple is printed as 20, 30, and apple. Let us see how we can concatenate the tuple. We can do that by adding these tuples using the plus sign. So with plus sign, we simply we can concatenate the tuple. We cannot add other elements already inside tuple 1 or tuple 2, but we can add these two tuples together. We can also have a nested tuples. That means tuples inside the tuples. So here is one tuple, 2, 3. So this is already a tuple, and we have other tuples, 2, 3, and apple and oranges. So we have tuple inside the tuple. So this is called nested tuple. So when we print this nested tuple, it is printed as it is. How to unpack the tuple? That means how to take out the elements of the tuple outside. We can simply assign the element variable name to this tuple. So suppose A is 10, B is 20, and C is 30. So if we are printing A, B, and C, we get 10, 20, and 30. These are not displayed like tuples or brackets. We have unpacked or unfolded the tuples. Tuples are commonly used when we want to create a collection of items that should not be changed during a program's execution, such as representing coordinates, database records, or returning multiple values from a function. Let us work out with one simple example using the tuple. Suppose the length of the tuple we're trying to find out the area of the rectangle. Suppose the rectangle dimensions are 10 and 5. So our tuple name is rectangle dimensions. So suppose we want to find the area. We are calling the index of the tuple rectangle dimension 0 means 10, and the second element rectangle dimension 1 means the second element of the tuple. So the first tuple element multiplied by second tuple elements gives us the area. So the area is stored here. When we give the print command, the area is displayed as 50.